give me a son. Abe said, man, you must put me on. God said, no. Abe said, what? God said, you can do what you want, but the next time you see me coming, you better run. Well, Abe said, where do you want this killing done? And God says, out on Highway 61. George, he'd been his bloody nose. Welfare department, they wouldn't give him clothes. He asked for Howard where he can go. Howard said, there's only one place I know. Sam, tell me quick, man, I gotta run. Oh, Howard just pointed with his gun and said, take that way down now, Highway 61. Nine and Louis the King. I got more red, white, and blue shoestrings. 1,000 telephones that won't ring. Do you dare? I'm rid of things. And Louis the King said, let me think for a minute, son. And he said, yes, I think it can easily be done. Just take everything down to Highway 61. The 12th night told the first father thing to be right. My complex would lead me much too wide. He said, come here and step into the night. He says, sit right, let me tell a second of it done. But the second mother was with the seventh son, and they were both out on Highway 61. Gambler, he was bored. He was trying to create the next world war. He found a promoter and then he fell off the floor. He said, I'd never engaged in kind of before, but yes, I think it can be very easily done.